Welcome to EKTV. Today, a moderate magnitude earthquake was occurred in New Zealand. The quake hits New Zealand today, 7th March 2022, at a very shallow depth. Geosciences of Australia is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 4.1, and European Mediterranean Seismological Center is the second agency to report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. If you like our videos, then please subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates.